Are you looking for a reliable key machine that does it all? The ECS Tools 2AS might be your new favorite workhorse. Welcome to Tool Review Tuesday. Let's talk about the highlights of this key duplicator. Dual functionality. It's both a duplicator and a cutter, perfect for edge cut keys and double-sided keys. Precision and power. It features a high-speed steel cutter and a powerful motor, accurate cuts every time. Built for mobile pros. Compact, durable, and easy to transport, ideal for mobile locksmith or small shops. And now, let's talk about one possible con. It is not ideal for high security or laser cut keys. Best used for standard residential and automotive keys. If you want to know more about this tool, click the link below or visit us at locksmiths.com, and don't forget to follow us to never miss our weekly reviews.